Travel responsibly. Icelanders have joined forces to minimize the impact of COVID-19, and contact tracing is one of our most important links in the chain of response. To help the contact tracing team, we encourage you to install the official app Rakning C19. The more people who download the app, the more useful it becomes in our combat against the ongoing pandemic. With your consent, the app keeps your location data on your device. In case the contact tracing team needs to track your movements, you will be asked to upload your location data to the system. This allows the tracing team to help you retrace your movements for the last 2 weeks in case of a possible infection. This increases the likelihood of identifying individuals you might have been in contact with. Data never leaves your device without your consent, and no one can access it on your device. The app is a valuable tool to contain COVID-19 and keep travelers updated. In the app, you can, for example, see the result of your COVID-19 test, speak directly to a healthcare professional if you experience symptoms of COVID-19, get notifications of any updated requirements or rules related to COVID-19, find answers to frequently asked questions, see data about COVID-19 in Iceland, get alerts issued by authorities in case of a rise in infections, and get information about areas with high risk of infection, if any. The app is available in Icelandic, English, French, German, and Polish. It's frequently updated and improved. Information in additional languages is on covid.is. If you experience any symptoms of COVID-19 before your trip, we ask you not to travel. For your own sake, as much as for others. Make sure to wash your hands regularly and use hand sanitizers when washing facilities are not available. Limit contact with people not in your travel group and respect the social distancing of 2 meters or 6 feet as much as you can. It's in the best interest of us all to make sure safety is a priority and that we do not take unnecessary risks. We ask you, dear traveler, to help us maintain the progress we made so far. Listen to experts. Don't take risks and stay safe.